How to lock Facebook profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can lock Facebook profile. Now, locking Facebook profile is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open a Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is tap on settings again. Once on settings, you'll be headed into settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find the option audience and visibility. Now on the audience and visibility, what you want to do is simply tap on profile locking here. Tap on profile locking and you'll be able to lock your profile. Now you can see I've already locked my profile. However, if you haven't locked your profile, you'll find the option lock profile at the bottom of your screen where you can see your profile right now. Simply tap on lock, and once you lock it, only friends can see the photos, posts and stories on the profile. Only friends can see your full size profile picture, and only friends will be able to see any other post and such stuff. So this way you can lock your profile. However, if you want to unlock it, you can do the similar steps. You can head into your Facebook settings, and under audience and visibility you'll find the option lock profile, and here you can unlock it. You can see the unlock option right there. So this way you can lock Facebook profile or unlock it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.